Imagine having an entire gym anywhere, anytime, in a single compact piece of equipment. Introducing xplate. We get it, life's busy. Finding time and space to work out consistently feels impossible. Gyms are crowded and inconvenient. Home setups are bulky and limited. That's why I created xplate. I spent years as a biomedical engineer designing solutions for spinal health, only to realize that movement was the most powerful medicine. So I created an all-in-one strength training solution from the ground up. This is xplate, the revolutionary modular strength system. It's a double kettlebell, curl bar, dumbbell, and resistance trainer, all in one sleek, portable design. Already praised by elite trainers and physical therapists, xplate is changing lives by fitting seamlessly into real-life routines.
I love it. I mean, it's very portable. I can literally take it anywhere.
I usually go to the gym, but now with xplate, I can go to the park, you can go to the beach, get outside and achieve the same thing I do in the gym.
With xplate, there are so many different ways you can use it. You can use it with a resistance band, you can add weight, you can take weight off of it. I just did my biceps, my legs, my abs, so you can just have fun with it. That's what I like about it.
I like that if you make it a kettlebell, it sits nice and flat against your arm.
It's like a luxury workout tool that is just ready to go at all times.
Super well built, super durable design. I would use it a lot.
xplate isn't just equipment. It's your freedom, flexibility, and commitment to yourself. Movement matters. It's how you stay strong, balanced, and ready for life. Transform your fitness routine, simplify your lifestyle, and reclaim your time. Back us today on Kickstarter. Join the xplate revolution, because your workout shouldn't hold you back. It should set you free.